under pressure. No more time. Can we make a move?
Hey, planning a trip to Miami? Well, stay tuned for a tour of the Soleil Hotel located in Sunny Isles, Florida. This is an upscale beachfront hotel, and it actually used to be a condo which was converted into a hotel. This is why it has a fully functioning kitchen, which includes, as you will see here, a sink. It also has a coffee maker. It even has a dishwasher, a stove. You even get utensils and plates, and some dishes like pots and pans also are included. You have a microwave, and you have a full-size refrigerator. That's what I meant to say. Alright, so check out the colors. It has bold decorations. I like the turquoise and the white coloring here. That's pretty much the theme of the room. Right now we have the bed, the couch bed let out. So this is typically the living room, and it's typically a couch, but we have converted it into a bed. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the view out the window. This is considered a one-bedroom city view suite at the hotel, and it has a fabulous view. I think we're maybe on the 14th floor, and this is just kind of showing you the layout of the entryway, which would include the kitchenette and the living room. This is the bathroom, which is located inside of the bedroom, and it gives you both a tub and a shower. And as you can see, it's very spacious inside there. Look at all that room. It's a big tub, like 2 people could probably fit. They also give you some amenities like shampoo, conditioner, and I think it was, if I recall, it was Paul Mitchell shampoo and conditioner, which I really like. So it has that kind of, it's kind of giving like that upscale Miami vibe to it, the bathroom here. And this, of course, is the single bedroom that comes with it. Again, you see the turquoise decorations. And the colors were like turquoise, white, yellow, this kind of the theme. The bed was pretty comfortable, and just gives you a simple chair and like a table with the TV inside the room. But this is the best part of the room, I think, which is the view onto the balcony, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Oh, I forgot to say, there's plenty of USB connections and places for you to store your iPad and cell phone and everything near the bed. So now I'm stepping out onto the balcony, and it's a pretty big balcony. Like, it spans from the bedroom and curves all the way around to the living room area. And so the view is outstanding. It's a view of the city, and it's beautiful. There's also like nearby, there's like a CVS. I think it's a CVS or a Walgreens within walking distance. There's also a couple of restaurants and boutiques which are in walking distance as well. So this is the best part of the hotel. Like, this beach, which I guess is called Sunny Isles Beach, is literally located right in back of the hotel. So you literally walk out the elevator and go around to the rear of the hotel, and it connects to the beach. They were doing some construction on some other condos, so sometimes you'll see the trucks go by, but otherwise it was a very beautiful beach. And that is a view of the hotel from the back. So I'm just going to give you a little bit more information about the hotel. So the staff was pretty nice. The property was clean. Staff was very responsive whenever we would call them to request things like extra towels or pillows. They would get them to us pretty quickly. You have to make sure that you get the suite though, because we had to upgrade to the suite. We had reserved a another room, and it just didn't look good. So we had to upgrade to the suite, but once we got to the suite, everything was good. So if you reserve this hotel, be sure to book a suite. There's also a restaurant on site at the hotel, and you can get breakfast and lunch there. They also, I think after lunch, they have some things that they'll bring out to you poolside. But the food wasn't really all that good. But I guess it is convenient to have a restaurant on site. Look at the water. I mean, it's not that like that blue water that you sometimes get when you go like to Mexico or something, but it's really beautiful. I loved it. I would definitely book this hotel again. And the price point was about, if I recall correctly, about $400 a night for the suite. And they do have resort fees and some other stuff, so be careful about that when booking. Thank you guys for watching.